What we have here today is a Harbor Breeze Sanhurst ceiling fan. I got this from Habitat a few years ago in decent condition. The blades are a little warped and it didn't come with any mounting, but it's got some dimmable LEDs in it. It uses a pretty big motor. They're pretty rare Harbor Breezes. But I was just lucky to find this one almost fully complete at Habitat. Alright, let's go meet. Alright, let's go to high. Alright, let's do a spin down. Turn those lights off. Alright, still spinning. Anyway, I guess now's a good time to get a good close-up of it. Came with the chains. See, it's jerry-rigged per usual. Nothing too special. Alright. Okay, so that's spinning down. Show you this. Still up. This thing had pretty good bearings. Alright. Let's finally stop. You know, these things use actually 4 screws to hold the blade on. And the reverse switch is sideways. So, pretty unique.